Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the iPhone, iPod, iPad charger from the company Quntis, Q-U-A-N-T-I-S. And as with all my purchases, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I'm going to hold this up so you can see the back of it. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to read the box. Hopefully my camera will zoom in okay for you. Not a whole lot to show you here, but I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you everything that it comes with. So this cable should work. I think it says iPad, iPhone, and it has the different models here as well as for an iPod. That's the reason I bought it, is I just got my kids a new iPod, 6th generation, and they needed a longer charge cord than the one that came with it. This is a 6-foot charge cord. They give you a wall charging outlet. It takes the regular Type-C input. So it's not your regular standard Android input, or like the old USB inputs have. But the end is the same as what it's always been. It's the regular Apple charging cord. There is an instruction manual, just a little pamphlet in here. This company does have a website, so if you do have any problems, there is an actual website. That's pretty unique. Most of these companies that sell these aftermarket charging cords, you can't contact them at all unless you contact them through Amazon, but this one has their own website. And then there is the 6-foot charging cord. Again, Type-C in, and then an Apple end, and then your wall charging outlet. That is everything you get. I hope the unboxing video helps. Thanks for watching.